welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, I'm Alicia, lover of makeup and glam rock. The votes are in, and thank you all who participated. Every Saturday I will be posting 2 products in my Instagram story, and you all will have a chance to vote which one is your favorite. So let's talk about the products. The first product I want to talk about is Living Proof Perfect Hair Day Dry Shampoo. This is their 4.0 ounce, which is their regular size, and then they have a travel size that is a 0.8 ounce. I believe there's also a value big size, which is a 7.3 ounce. On their main website, you can find all 3 sizes, and then at Sephora, you can find the 3 sizes on the website, but then I believe in store you can only get like the travel size and the regular size. And then at Ulta, they have the 7.3 ounce and the 4.0 ounce online. I believe they only have the 4 ounce one though in the store. This dry shampoo helps eliminate the sweat, oil, odor, so it could help keep your hair feeling clean. It has a fresh scent that smells like perfume in a store like Macy's, almost like a flowery scent. Yeah, very much like a perfume from Dior maybe. Or Chanel. Very nice. It is free of phthalates, parabens, sulfates, silicone, formaldehyde, and gluten. It's made for all hair types: curly, wavy, thin, thick, chemically treated hair, and also colored hair. Living Proof is vegan and cruelty-free also, so that is definitely a plus for them. They are also recyclable, and it lets you know online that you can turn it into TerraCycle, which I've mentioned before. It's a program online. Just Google TerraCycle and you could find out all your information there on their website. It is $70 to receive a box, so you could fill it up with empty bottles like this and put it in the box and go ahead and ship it back to them, and they will help you recycle those. The directions given by Living Proof, what they want you to do when you're doing your hair is to work section by section. Now I'm going to be honest, my hair is already somewhat clean. It will work better if there was some more buildup of oils and other things like that to make your hair dirty. So I have my hair section 1, section 2, section 3, which is the top. I don't think I really need any there. They want you to work in a sweeping motion like this. Shake it up. Spray 6 inches to 10 inches away from your hair, because then you're going to see a white spot. There's section 1. I'm going to leave it because it says you have to wait at least 30 seconds, and I'll just go ahead and work on the next section. Okay, wait for 30 seconds now. During those 30 seconds, what it's doing is the powder inside the spray is activating and basically doing its job, like cleaning and absorbing. Okay, so it's past the 30 seconds. Now they want you to massage the hair, kind of shake it back and forth like this at the roots. I'm going to go to the next section now. And then they said if you could still see white, go ahead and use a brush to help that out. And then if there's powder still showing, then you want to get a hair dryer and kind of just blow it away. We're all done with that side. Like I said before, you might not see much of a difference because my hair already is kind of voluptuous. The next one is the Know Nothing Very Sensitive Dry Shampoo. This product is a 5.3 ounce bottle, and the travel size is a 1 ounce. You can order those at the Know Nothing website. I'm going to turn down the light a little bit here so you can see the bottle, because it is white, but it has all these cute little sayings right here. I'll read them to you right now. No sorrows, no perfume, no crowded buses, no dusty windows, no problems, no bad choices, no missed opportunities, no lousy music, no worries, no stress, no sleepless nights, no unwashed feeling, no fears, no burnt toast, no misbehaving computers. Yeah, that would be great. No shrunken bikinis, no gum on shoes, no missing buttons, no tears, no bad jokes, no hurry, no long meetings, no bad hair days. Say yes to no. No nothing. And I like how they bolded the main important ones. The no perfume and no unwashed feeling. So they wanted to highlight that. Using rice starch as well, it's supposed to clean impurities and absorb your oils on the scalp. It has a fine mist and no white residue. It works on all hair types and any color hair, and they really emphasize on any color hair because it is colorless, so you can have green, blue, red, doesn't matter what color hair you have. Also, it is hypoallergenic for anyone with sensitive skin that can get allergic to many things in some products. This one is supposed to be very safe for that. Free of parabens, gluten, soy, and dye. Not to mention that it is also cruelty-free, vegan, and a recyclable bottle can. Alright, you want to go ahead and work section by section again. 6 feet, 6 feet, 6 inches away from the other one. And then go ahead and shake it up. Now this one in particular though, when you shake it up, they want you to shake it until you hear a little ball inside the can going ch ch ch. So I'll put it by the mic here so you can hear it. There it is. Isn't that cool? And then go ahead and spray. Rub it in. Again. Feeling nice and silky and soft and shiny. Again, I just want to repeat, you might not see the volume change much because I've already had clean hair, but I just wanted to demonstrate the instructions for you. Alright, now we're going to have the results. So if you look over here, woo, No Nothing is the winner, 100% votes. A lot of people really like No Nothing, which is great to hear. I believe they're somewhat of a new brand, so I was quite surprised that many people chose this. It seems like they're doing something right with their dry shampoos, which is good. And then now, you guys want to know how to get featured. So remember to comment below which one is your favorite, either the No Nothing or the Living Proof dry shampoo. And just go ahead, comment below and tell me why it's your favorite, why you voted for it, and what it does for your hair, and I will feature you in next week's video. Last week we had some comments on the video, not so much of telling me what their favorite was, but mostly telling me that they really want to try the Kat Von D one. I guess they have never tried it before and would like a chance to, so I found that quite surprising. Okay, the first comment we have is Life with So Clean. I want to try the KVD lipstick now. I love your video. Oh, good. Yes, go try it. They're really nice. And the second one is Risma Cristanti. She wrote, KVD, I've been thinking to try these. Thank you for sharing this video. Go try them, guys. Don't be scared to try them. They're really nice. I prefer the different color ones, but there are also natural colors and reds and just all kinds of lipstick colors, so they're really beautiful. And I believe their top seller is the Lolita lipstick, so go try that one out. It's a beautiful like pinkish nude color. Highly recommended. It is their top seller in all of the shades, like the mattes, the creams, all of that. Okay everybody, that's all for today. See you guys next week, and keep on loving makeup and keep on rocking.